All right. So after doing a little more research, I really don't think I had any fluid in those left in those hose. And from what I could tell, even if there's a little bit in there, it's better not to go ahead and take them out if they torqued okay, and they all did. So we're going to leave them like that. See how we do on this side. I know I ran the tap I made out of the old bolt. I think I've got it here somewhere. Well, anyway, basically a thread chaser, cut 4 slots in it, and ran it all the way down. So really, it would have displaced any. If there had been enough in there to hydrolock the boat, it would have displaced it, because those boats are a little longer than the Pro Comps as well. So I went ahead and put the valve trains together. Got the lube on all of the push rods and both ends, and then on top of the springs, and got the got all the rockers put on. Torqued them to 22 foot-pounds, and I've also seen differing instructions on that. I tried it at first like rolling it around to where you were always on the base lobe, and then I did a couple without doing that, and then came back and checked them, took them out, and they all seem to be about the same. So I don't know if there's really any value to that or not. So but anyway, they are all torqued to the 22 foot-pounds, and I have rotated it, the engine, several times. I don't hear anything odd, don't feel any restrictions anywhere. I'm going to get my snake camera for my phone, and I'm going to put it in through one of the spark plug hose and try to get a video, or at least a photograph of what it looks like, and see if I can even see the clearance, piston to valve clearance. I think I might be able to with that camera, so it'll be interesting to try it anyway.